Hi. So I've been asked recently to share a song that I wrote this summer. I'm excited to share it. It's called Happiness Toolbelt, and the idea behind it is that every single day we encounter things that might throw us off our path, or we might have off days, off weeks, off years. Everybody has their own time. And it's really important that even while we're pushing ourselves and we're holding ourselves to expectations, that we remember that it's okay if we're not perfect. And if something doesn't quite go how we thought it would, to take a step back and put on your happiness tool belt, pull out a smile, take a couple deep breaths, and remind yourself that sometimes it's okay to not be okay. I really hope this song can bring peace to you, or maybe just enjoy it. So yes, this is Happiness Toolbelt by me. I've spent my whole life trying to do it all by the book. What to do, what to eat, how to act and how to look. My mind is always moving much faster than I can think, and I'm always trying to get it all right, how to help and how to please. I'm kinder to others than I am to myself. So it's time that I put on my very own happiness tool belt. Forgive yourself when you fall a little short. Dreams and goals will always be tall. It's okay if you fall off course. Remind yourself that you have a heart of gold. And sometimes heavy things can be hard to hold. So when you're feeling lost, listen to yourself and just put on your happiness tool belt. I guess there's no sense in stressing about what lies ahead. Can't control it, can't really change it, can't do much about it yet. So when life starts to get me feeling down and overwhelmed, I put a smile on my face from my happiness tool belt, and I forgive myself when I fall a little short. Dreams and goals will always be tall. It's okay if I fall off course. Remind myself that I have a heart of gold. And sometimes heavy things can be hard to hold. So when I'm feeling lost, I'll listen to myself and just put on my happiness tool belt. Forgive yourself when you fall a little short. Dreams and goals will always be tall. It's okay if you fall off course. Remind yourself that you have a heart of gold. And sometimes heavy things can be hard to hold. So when you're feeling lost, listen to yourself and just put on your happiness tool belt.